In this video, I will show you the exact steps to change your character's clothes in the world of Forza Horizon 6. Many players focus entirely on their cars, but customizing your driver is just as important for standing out during those podium celebrations. To get started, you need to head over to any of your unlocked player houses or visit the main festival hub located on your map. Once you arrive at the location, simply enter the building to open up the primary customization menu. From this screen, you should navigate to the tab labeled My Festival, and then click on the tile for customizing your character. This will open up a massive wardrobe filled with all the items you have unlocked through wheel spins or seasonal challenges. You can browse through different categories like tops, bottoms, shoes, and even full body costumes. When you find an outfit that suits your style, just select it and your character will update instantly. Make sure you hit the save button before exiting the menu so your new look stays active during your next race. It is a very simple process that adds a lot of personality to your gaming experience. Now go out there and show off your fresh style on the streets.